sleeves and top loader. So we have three sleeves and a one top loader. So wala na. So pagkain natin ito. May natin na. Ayan. So tapon na natin siya. So yan. So this would be so part 6 of our ripping. So sana makakuha tayo ng autograph. So makakuha tayo ng isa. Exclusive yun. Ito. Yan. Yung pure basketball. Yung beatable. Yung sensations. Yung mga nakita ko na Supersonic, Max Power, and special cards. So yung mga special cards natin yung nakita ko. So let's open it. Open natin ito. Oh wait. Kuha muna tayo ng top loader. Dito. Penny sleeves. Kasi wala tayong penny sleeves dito eh. Tatatlo ko lang. So ayan. Penny sleeves natin is this one ulit. So ayan. Ay hindi ba ito. So ayan. Penny sleeves. Kailangan natin protected siya. Okay. Let's start. Part na. Pack 9. Let's repeat that. Bukas na pala. Ayan natin siya. Sana maganda yung makuha natin. First card. Oops. Sino ba ito? First card. Ano ba ito? So yan. May Jokic tayo. So, although alam ko meron na akong nito Jokic. So yan. Meron na akong Jokic. Yan. Oh! Nice one. Unbeatable. Nikola Jokic. Nice one. Nice hits. And then we have Jalen Duren. Another one. We have Embiid. Max Power. Nice one. We have Steph Curry. I think meron na ako nito. Base card. Oh no! It's a Rainbow Master. Steph Curry. Nice one. We have here Dennis Schroeder. Toronto Raptors. Supersonic. Nice hit. And we have Jimmy Butler. Evan Mobley. And Bill Coloby. So lahat naman ng aking base card wala pa ako nakukuha. So ayan, dati wala ko niyan. So ayan, so ayan, dadagdag natin sa bases natin. And this is our hit. And beat one, Nikola Jokic. Supersonic Jalen Duren. We have not the Dennis Schroeder pa. We have Max Power, Joel Embiid. And we have Steph Curry Rainbow Master. So that's it. It's part 6. Let's go. Bye-bye.